Alright guys, we are back to working on the K1500 and this is gonna be a fun upload because I just did something pretty stupid but kind of cool. But you can see I'm all dirty here and my hands are dirty. Well, here's my exhaust and here's my cats. And the reason I took this off was because I have a bad exhaust leak right here where the cats line up with the rest of the exhaust. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna sand all this down so I have a flush fit against this piece over here. That way it don't leak anymore, so I can pass inspection. But in the meantime, you already know we're gonna start this thing and drive it like this for a while because it's gonna sound awesome. So this is my reaction to starting this thing up for the first time with open manifolds. Oh my god! This thing is so loud! Holy shit! Excuse my language! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, I'm gonna have to cover my ears for this. Oh my god! It's so loud! Holy cow! It wouldn't be right if I didn't, take off the full exhaust and not take it for a ride. So we're gonna go take this thing for a drive right now. Here's this thing starting up again. She is very loud. It's so stupid. It is so freaking loud. Holy cow. Oh my god. This smile will never leave my face. This thing is so loud. Holy cow, guys. Oh my god. It's so loud. I can feel it rattling my body. Oh my god. It's so stupid. It's so dumb. Alright guys, listen to this thing. It's so stupid. Holy shit! Oh my god, it's so loud. Oh my god! What happens when I downshift? The pops! Oh my god! It's so loud! Well guys, that was fun while it lasted, but my ears didn't think that was too fun. So I put the exhaust back on how it was before. So kind of fixed the exhaust leak. It's better than it was, but she still claps. And that's what we like. So today, ooh, that's stinky. We are going to clean the interior. So as you can see here, it's kind of dark. What the heck? I have not cleaned the interior of this truck yet. Let me get a flashlight for you guys. You can see it's really, really gross right there. So we're gonna clean that up. Too bad you guys can't see this really well, but yeah, it's nasty. Especially right there. Ugh. Ugh. Nasty, nasty. So we're gonna go ahead and clean this old pig up. It's now daylight, so let me show you what I did. I didn't really get to record much for YouTube, but I will be posting on TikTok of all the cleanup stuff. So as you can see, it is so much more clean here. I put the floor mat in. Let me speak right. I put the floor mat back in, but I cleaned all up under here. It came out decently good, and here was nasty, but it's better than it was before. And I cleaned the whole driver's side, so the driver's side's done, except for like a few things like all the dust there and whatnot. And I gotta get a toothbrush and clean out that. Then we are going to work on the passenger side. I haven't done that yet because I ran out of time and it got too dark. It wasn't good for recording. So passenger side is going to happen now. So let's get to cleaning here. So for example here, I'm cleaning the little things, just like this vent. It's nasty. And that I already showed you, and I will show you guys the before, which is now, how gross it is, and I will show you the after. So we got that cleaned up as best as I could, and got this also cleaned up as best as I could, and it turned out pretty good. And next we're gonna do this dash here. So I just went out to go get some gas for the power washer because I'm going to power wash the floor mats, and here's the gas I got. And let's go take these floor mats over to the wash rack. Got the one floor mat here, and I've got two more in the back. Look how disgusting these are. Alright, let's take these over here. Hopefully these come out clean, because man, that would be satisfying as hell if they did. Let's put one here, there, and there, and then I have one more to get. I can't get to it really from the other side. Oh no, my towels. Because that door doesn't open. Great. Because it's not a door. It's a 3-door Chevy. With 3 doors, because that's why it's called that. Let's get that crap out of there. Ooh. Looks like somebody spilled some coffee or something on this one. Not so good. Well, dang it. I thought I pressed record, but it turns out I didn't. They did not come out clean with the power washer. Also, these floor mats are 23 years old, so whatever, I guess. Alright guys, so this is the interior after it's all clean, and I am driving right now. It's been a few days since I've cleaned it, so I might be a little bit more dirty now, but we are heading up to my buddy's shop, and we are going to weld on this last body panel. Alright, we got the bed off here with the lift. We got Michael here. Hey guys. And you see the light? We are welding this. I'm gonna weld this one on now because why not? My buddy Josh couldn't make it today to weld it, so I'm just gonna do it. And gotta cut the rest of this off here. This light is bright. Okay, so that's gotta be cut off, and then I gotta fix the mess that's over here. You can kind of see that it's coming off. Fix that, and then it should be good to go. Welding it on. Alright guys, so we finished up welding here, and I'm no professional by any means, but that's not too bad for me. Bed comes back on and we are done with all the body work. We just need to replace the front right door and the front right fender, and then we'll really be done with all the body work. And then actually coming this week, lift And then in the next 2 to 3 weeks, my wheels and tires come in. So, sweet. Here's where we have to finish up on the door. And here's where we have to finish up on the fender. And then all the rust will be done on this truck. And then I'm also gonna get a new hood as well, because you can see there's a pretty good dent there. And pretty good dent there. I'm actually gonna get a cowl hood for this thing. It's gonna be sick. So guys, also a little bit of news on the jet ski. We're sitting on it right now. Let me set up the light here so you can see me. So I sent off the documentation for a new title to DWR, and they finally got back to me, and it turns out I'm actually missing some documents that they need to get me a new title. So I'm gonna send that stuff off them tomorrow, and then even if it's November when we get the title and I can finally register this thing, you dang right I'm still gonna go take this thing out on the water. I don't care how cold it is, we're gonna do it for you guys. And yeah guys, that is all for this upload, and I really hope you guys enjoy. The budget build is coming along. We got some lift wheels and tires on the way. I'm really excited about that. And yeah guys, stay tuned for the rest of it.